No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Alex Solorio. Today we are
fixing my go-kart. Yeah.
Yeah, so the motor's off. We won't be working on it, but we're gonna be doing a lot of things, as you can see. Show them the hackery on the brake.
Look at that.
We're trying to take it to a cruise, and we had one more day. And I got home from work like at 9 o'clock, and I did that.
Yep.
With the 100 weather. The brakes worked, but they were backwards. So I don't know if we're gonna say that they worked or not, but we're doing sprocket, brakes,
Electric start. Wheels.
Tires.
Yeah.
What else? That's about it. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna be doing this like in 2 weeks around there, or not in 2 weeks. But we're gonna do all of this in 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. Here's the bike, and then there's a motor over there for that. So that's another project. There's more projects to come to my channel. But here's my go-kart. If you guys could guess how fast it went, unless I already told you on Snapchat or in person or something. Guess how fast my top speed was, and I'll give you a shout out since I can't do a giveaway. Well, yeah. At least it's something, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so comment down below which one will win out of both of them. You probably won't know right now because of the sprocket sizes that we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And ratios and stuff like that.
Yep.
So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video in about a week.
Bye.